Yo, just going to run through the trade I took yesterday, an EU short, so a trade recap. And yeah, price action still similar this week. On the 4 hour, so after I seen these candles, I was expecting some bullish price action. Never know, maybe it was going to put in a new high. Maybe going to take out buy side liquidity, then drop. Take out sell side liquidity, they take out the highs, the lows, and then continue. Never know. But just looking at the higher time frame and then trying to see what the medium time frame is trying to say. So I did get this bullish price action I was expecting, that I thought we may get from these two candles. And then yeah, this is just a higher time frame story, so just waiting to see what the 15 minute or 1 hour was saying. And then yeah, I got to the charts, have to, so about the year. And yeah, these are the low lows and lower highs, you know, showing intentions to be bearish. So if you'd want to be shorting, you'd be wanting to short from the edge. But we're stuck in between this range. The last low has not been put in, so we are within this range and just wondering what price is. We're waiting to see what price is going to show, what it wants to do next, and try and jump on board. Yeah. So when I got to the charts, just waiting on price, and then I seen this wick rejection. I got in pretty early, to be honest, but that's because we're right on the edge. If you go from the last lower high and lower low, you know, we're within the absolute edge, a wick rejection. So there's a couple of things I've seen. We're going to reject, come from this level. In fact, I'll play it price a bit. But I entered here, and it was like 10 pips. It was just not covering the wick. Yeah, probably a bit there. And let me play price. Okay, so when I saw this, I'm like, sweet, we got the wick rejection, we got the market shift, sweepy liquidity that I like to see, and then we're in, you know, premium. So all three rules melt in the 15 minute. And with this price action, I was seeing that we were going to do this, similar to a trade I took last week. You know, we're going to get some bearish price action, put in the new lower low, or this was a liquidity dump to then take out the highs and take out the buy side liquidity. So I just yeah, followed the rules and went with it. And yeah, this is my last trading session. Been trading the 15 minute, sometimes trading, executing 15 minute, and then next year I'm going to continue my 1 minute entries because I do enjoy them also. So my liquidity sweep happened, market shift of internal structure, and you know, we're in premium, we already know we're in premium, we're right on the edge, but you could take it from the most recent leg also. So might even take it from this, but yeah, but we have our now POI. I'll run through the 1 minute also, so I'll get this out of the way. So I'm going to, the 1 minute refine zones are pretty powerful, especially from the edge. You can obviously, this buy to sell, it takes liquidity, so you can use that, but when you have something as clean as this right on the edge, it takes liquidity, you know, and in this leg, waiting for the first tap to be run, if you've got the patience. And then you've got like a, you know, if there's no refined zone, no 1 minute refined zones in here that swept liquidity and it's clean, you've got like type 1, type 2 entries where you can wait. If you're a little bit more conservative, you can wait for the low that put in the high to break. You've got your demand, last point of demand, you've got your market shift, and then what caused the move, you would then sell from there. I've took a lot of these in November, and then you could also use the 1 minute refined on the edge of a 15-minute POI. It doesn't need to be the edge, it's just the most high probability area. So what happens when you hit the refined, you market execute. 6 pips and it's covering this high, and then you look for liquidity to take, which would be these lows. You could also, if you've got the mental stamina, to take it down to the new lower low. And some people's strategy is to sweep the Asia lows. Whatever suits you. I get a lot of 1 to 5s, and then price does reverse sometimes. Even though if you trade from the edges, you can hold to 1 to 10s, but I like to get in and out the market, secure profits, build confidence. That's what I learned from this year. Of course, after you break structure here, you can go break even. But the other, the conservative would be the market shift. This is your last point of demand. You can use, obviously you want the low that puts in the high, but there's not too much interaction here. The interaction's a bit better from this POI, showing that supply is in control. This could obviously be liquidity to take at your entry, but if you're waiting for this light model, you would have missed out on the trade, or not missed out on the trade because it doesn't meet your plan, but you know what I'm saying. Yeah, a lot of the time this would come up and sweep the liquidity and go. Just however, what you prefer. Are you aggressive? This is where people take 5 second entries also, sell stops. So I'm going to try and keep the video small, but yeah. So you would have hit TP there, and I hit it also. And if you had the bandwidth to hold to here, the new low. But yeah, so what price is now. Hope you enjoy this recap, and over the weekend I'm going to do a price review of the week, and yeah, my last trading session today. Catch you in another video.